In this video, I am going to share with you UGC NET exam CSPYQ. This question has asked in June 2006 and December 2009. This is the question number 20. The number of ones present in the binary representation of 3 into 512 plus 7 into 64 plus 5 into 8 plus 3 base 10 is what? So first I am writing these numbers. 3 into 512 plus 7 into 64 plus 5 into 8 plus 3. Now, these numbers has given in the decimal form. So, whenever we require the number of ones, so that times we convert to the binary form. So, that is why binary conversion of the decimal number system. So, write down the power notation of 2's. 2's power 0, this is 1, 2's power 1, 2, 2's power 2, 4, 2's power 3, 8, 2's power 4, 16, 2's power 5, 32, 2's power 6, 64, 2's power 7, 128, 2's power 8, 256, 2's power 9, 512. So we can write it 3 into 512, that means 2's power 9 plus 7 into 64. 64 means 2's power 6 plus 5 into 8. 8 means 2's power 3 plus 3 into 1. So 3 into 1, that means 2's power 0. Now this 3 we will write in the decimal form, in the form of binary notation, power of 2. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So we will write 2 plus 1 into 2's power 9 plus 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1 into 2's power 6 plus 5, that means 4 plus 1 into 2's power 3 plus 3, that means 2 plus 1 into 2's power 0. 2 means what? 2's power 1. 1 means 2's power 0. 4 means 2's power 2. 2 means 2's power 1. 1 means 2's power 0. 4 means 2's power 2. 1 means 2's power 0. 2 means 2's power 1 and 1 means 2's power 0. Now, whenever form, that means this number base is same and power notation is different and we will multiply it, so that times we will just added the power notation. So 2's power 1 into 2's power 9, so that is 2's power 10 plus 0 plus 9, 9, 2's power 9 plus 2 plus 6, 8, 2's power 8 plus 1 plus 6, 7, 2's power 7 plus 0 plus 6, 6, 2's power 6 plus 2 plus 3, 5, 2's power 5 plus 0 plus 3, 2's power 3 plus 1 plus 0, 1, 2's power 1 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 2's power 0. So now write 2's power 0, that means 0 places will write 1, 1 places 1, 2 has given no, so that is why 2 places will come 0. Then 3 places 1, 4 has not given, so 4 places 0, 5 is 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9 place is also 1 and 10 place is also 1. So this is the binary conversion of these equation. So now we will count it, the number of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So option number C is the correct answer of this question. Thank you very much for watching this video.